Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know what is a Maiar app. And so in this video I'm going to let you know what is a Maiar app. So Maiar app is a digital wallet and global payment app developed by Elrond network, designed to simplify the management and exchange of digital assets. Here's an overview including its features, recent update, and review of its functionality. So first of all, Maiar is decentralized finance, that is DeFi, and the digital asset app that allows users to manage, stake, and exchange cryptocurrency seamlessly. Built on the Elrond blockchain, it leverages Elrond's high-speed and low-cost infrastructure to offer a robust user experiences. Likewise, to know about its key feature, there are user-friendly interface designed for simplistic and easy to use, making it accessible to both beginner and experienced user at the same time. You could also clean intuitive UI for the effortless navigations. Talking about the security, advanced security features including encrypted private keys and secure biometrics. Users should retain controls of the private key, ensuring the security of their asset at the same time. If you want to know about the transaction, then instant and low cost transaction due to the Elrond blockchain, high throughputs, supported for multiple cryptocurrencies including e-gold, EGLD, Bitcoin, and Ethereum at the same time. Now, it is also one of the easy staking process for earning practicing in the Elrond network, real-time tracking of staking rules, access to various DeFi services directly with the app. Now, the features such as leading borrowing and yielding farming to maximize return at the same time. Now, as per the recent update, there is an exchange option such as new staking provides an improved staking interface for better user experiences and expanded asset support, likewise improved security measures, all of that. So these were some of the features and benefits of Maiar app. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.